Parentheses can be used to indicate groupings, and following the order of operations, we simplify within the parentheses first. However, so long as only addition or only multiplication appears in expression, changing the grouping does not change the result. We call this the associative law. It holds for addition, A plus the quantity B plus C is equal to A plus B with the parentheses around it plus C, and also for multiplication. A times the quantity BC is equivalent to the quantity AB times C. Notice the order doesn't change, it's the grouping that has changed and doesn't alter the value. Let's look at some examples using the associative property. They're asking us to write an equivalent expression using the associative law, and here we have all addition. As long as the order doesn't change, but the grouping does, and we're going to give priority to the first two, we have an equivalent expression. Here we have multiplication entirely. We'll leave the order the same, 8 times x times y, but instead of 8 times x first as the priority, indicated by the parentheses, we will give the priority to the two variables. Illustrating further, we have two other examples. Here we have all addition. Which two are added together first does not affect the value of this, so an equivalent expression would be to add the second two terms together. And the last example here, the priority is to multiply the values in the parenthesis, leaving the order the same. We're going to change the grouping symbols to come up with an equivalent expression.